To locate circulation in Sec 6, look at the palm of your hand. Notice the crease between your wrist and your arm. If you have more than one crease, select the crease that's closest to your wrist. On the crease, find the spot that is in the middle of the crease. Then find the spot that is the width of 2 thumbs below that, right over here. Activate this point by pushing in lightly and rubbing the area 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. Because there are a lot of sensitive tissues in this area, a light touch is best. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei-Shin, I suggest you use the round end, again with a light touch, and it might look like this. Now find circulation in Sec 6 on your other hand and repeat.